Jam 16607. Let's find out which one we're opening. That's just for the Obsidian 2-box break. I'm pretty sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is 43. 5 times. I thought the AA squads was announced during the Brownlow.
This would be
44.
40, whatever it is. 40 man.
Tim Taranto, Sam Taylor, Max Gorn, notable absentees. The Lizard got in. Swans have 2. Errol and Blakey are good.
Oh, Errol.
What? Am I opening box 43?
Yeah, sure. I think that's what it was.
Us-
Oh, Ringer's saying 44. Maybe.
No, I opened 44 during the lunch break.
No, Ringer's
Oh, we were talking about the 44, the 44 people. Somebody rewind. There, I'll drop the link to the squad. Bulldogs got Bont, English and Libber. Royal Marshal, Jack Sinclair, Callum Wilkie for St Kilda. Dusty got in.
Dusty?
Yep.
He should not be there. How does Taranto miss, but Dusty's in?
Butters, Houston and Rosie for Port. Nick Larkey for North. Petrarca and Viney for Melbourne. Bruce, Newcomb and Sicily for Hawthorn. Caniglio, Green and Green for GWS. Noah Anderson for Gold Coast. Tom Stewart for Geelong. Jackson, Ryan and Sarong for Freo. Langford, Merritt, Redmond for Essendon. You can't put an Essendon team in there. Both Dacoses. Jordan Goey, Darcy Moore, Isaac Quainer. Quainer's a good one. Cripps, Kerno, Wiedering for Carlton. Andrews, Cameron, Danaher, Neal for Brisbane. And Dawson and Walker for Adelaide. That's your...
I think we know who the 22 that are going to miss out are.
Yeah. Did anyone find out? Was it box 43? There's no 43 on my checklist, and it's here.
Oh my, that is stiff.
He's the Messi. Essendon. Langford, Merritt, Redmond. How many games did Ridley play this year? He missed a couple, didn't he? Yep, 43. All right, here we go. I need to actually randomise the list of hits now, teams now. All right, 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to all. 1, 2. Yes, Luca on the bottom. 3, 4. That would have just done him in, I reckon. And 5. Top is Celtics all the way down to the Cavs. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Last 4. That's probably enough to just knock him out. All right, save. I would think Geelong's a pretty popular team. All right, legendary scripts. Jason Kidd, auto 15/15 for the Suns. Is a weird miss though. 27. That is Blake Wilson. Oh no, he's back. Any big note? Anyone who shouldn't be there? For you? Gold, Stargazing, KD. 1 of 10. That is for the Nets. Nets are with.
Yes, Spook.
Spot 20, Stephen Basili. Yeah, Dusty's a weird one. There's no way he makes the top 22.
Who are not?
Who are your wings? Is it Goulden and Dacos. Will they actually put players in their position this time? Tyrese Maxey for the 76ers, numbered 103 of 149. That is for the 76ers. Spot 26. Yeah, Joey. Yeah. Luka Doncic. Downtown Bound, Gold Prism, Gem Mint 10. That's a really nice card for the Mavericks. Dallas is with spot 17. That's the way of John Pizzolatto. That's a nice card. Up next, Ray Allen. Seattle Supersonics. That's the OKC Thunder. 82 of 99. OKC. Spot 6, Anthony Highland. Ooh, last card is nice.
Have they based this squad on like the round 24 games or something?
Yeah. And then finally, Gem Mint 10, LeBron James Fireworks Mojo, numbered 14 of 25. Who's got the Lakers? Spot 7, Chak Fung Lo, congratulations. And that is Gem 16607.